So first thing was your navigation bar. So when I'm going through the page, the navigation bar is hidden. It should come on the top. So to make it stick on the top, we use a class sticky top. So once you make the navigation bar as a sticky top, then when you scroll above, the navigation bar will stick on the top. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now, second thing was, if you see the carousel images, if I reduce the size, they are getting cropped. So they are not responsive. They should reduce their size instead of getting cropped. So to make them responsive, for each image, we need to add a class equal to image fluid. I will simply copy paste this. And then now if I reduce the size, now if I reduce the size, the image will also reduce its size. So this is a fluidic image. So earlier there was a class in Bootstrap 3 image responsive. Now it is image fluid. Now, so these two are done. Next one was now the last thing in Bootstrap will be font awesome. So font awesome is for displaying icons. Audio video is the same way. You already have an audio video tag in HTML. Just use that for audio video. Now, last thing is font awesome. So font awesome is for various kind of icons to make your website look more interactive and nice. So many times icons are used for many things, like home icon for home link, or on the contact us, various icons are there for address, for telephone. So all those icons can be used. Now, Font Awesome is again an external library. So if you want to use Font Awesome, you need to add them into your project. So you can click on, you can either download it, or there are CDN available. CDN means again the content delivery network, just like that. And you can add that content delivery URL for their CSS and JS file, and then you are good to go. Now, the important part is icons. So if you click on this icons link, you can go here and you can see there are so many icons. If you want to search for a particular icon, you can search here. So suppose that I want to search for Apple. So you can see that all logos related to Apple has appeared. Now some are pro version, which are only paid version, but there are free versions also. So like if it shows pro means it's a pro. Otherwise you can use it. Okay. So you search for an icon and then get their code. So if I like click on this, I will go here. And on this page, it will show me what HTML should I write for this particular icon. So this is the HTML that I should write if I want to use this icon. Now, since we are using this Visual Studio Code, so there is a just like adding a Bootstrap, Font Awesome, adding Font Awesome is also very easy. So Font Awesome $CSS. If I click here, it will automatically add the Font Awesome CDN. Again, I will show you. Simply type FA5 Font Awesome 5th version, and you can see on the top $CSS. So this is for adding the CSS. If I click on this, it will add the CSS, and done. After that, wherever I want to add any icon, I will go there. So suppose on the navigation bar before home, I want to add a Font Awesome icon of home. So FA5 home. Done. Now let us see. So you can see that before home, one home icon has come. Okay. Now same way for product, I will type FA5 and -industry. Done. Save. And if I again refresh it, you can see there is an industry icon before that. Now about us. So suppose FA5 user. Okay. Now if I go to our page, before about us, one person is there. And similarly for services, I will use FA5 list. Similarly, for login, I will use FA5 sign. And for sign up, I will use FA5 sign out. Let's see if it works. If the icon is not coming, it means it is a, so you can see sign up and login both have come. So if icon is not coming, it means either it is a pro version or it is not supported in the current Font Awesome version, or the third one, your CDN link is not working. Either of the three will happen. So either your Font Awesome CSS file that you have added, that is wrongly added, or that icon is not supported, or it is a pro version. So pro version won't appear in your, so in this way I can add icons. So that's all from my side on Bootstrap. So now you can add Font Awesome icons. You can create a one-page interactive website, and depending on the screen size, you can resize the content. Okay, so that's all from the responsive web design. Now, if you have any question, I will take that. how do we add icon which is saved in this device? See, there is no icon actually. Okay, so basically everything is using CSS. So for Font Awesome also, you can download the Font Awesome CSS, and once you download it, just use link h reference equal to that CSS file. That's all.